Welcome. In front of me is a QILIVE 5039D, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through the recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold power key and select power off, and wait for the device to shut off. Now, once the device shuts off, you then want to hold power key and volume up. And when you see the QILIVE logo, you can let go. From here, select the language that you wish to use, which for me is going to be English. And to select it, you want to use volume keys to navigate. So volume down goes down and up goes up, and power key is used to confirm. So English, there we go, power key to confirm it. And now same goes for the recovery mode for navigation. So using volume keys, you want to select wipe data factory reset and then confirm it with power key, and select yes, delete all user data. Process will begin. Takes only several seconds, at least in this state, and you will see data wipe complete, and reboot system now should be selected by default, so press the power key once more to reboot the device. Now the process will continue in the background, and it will actually take the device a little bit longer to power back on, but once it's finished we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen, so I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.